everybody, welcome to Living Tropically. I have another haul today for Shein, and it's basically another huge unboxing here, and I need to get it done as quickly as possible because I actually have to step out with my son. So let's jump right into this. And before I get started, this channel is about everything lifestyle, living tropically, the beach, hauls, all things fun, organization, trips, everything that you can think about lifestyle, and just overall positivity, energy, and shopping, everything fun. So if you're into that, please hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into this. So the first thing I did get was a bunch of jelly nail polishes. These jelly nail polishes have been super popular lately, I feel, and there was various colors in here. There was about 6, and they did not cost that much. They never do from Shein, to be honest with you. I'm going to show you one of the purple ones, the deep purple one, so you can see the consistency of the polish and the jelly. Let's see if you can see that. Yes, hopefully you can see that. It's pretty pigmented. Some of the other ones did look kind of like the same color, but that's all right. They're so tiny that I'm probably going to only get like 1 or 2 uses out of it. And again, not expensive, so you get what you pay for, if you know what I mean. Next up are these really adorable wind chimes, and I'm not going to pull them all the way out. They do look they were very inexpensive, so I can't really complain about them. I thought this would probably be like ropes or something. It's kind of, I don't know, could probably get crappy quick, but nonetheless, I ordered a couple of them for my outside patio area because I was very inspired by my Miami trip. There was a bunch of orchids hanging from trees. These are fruit slicers, so or the vegetable slicers. You can push that down into a pepper, and you can push this down into whatever other type of fruit and core it. Love that so much. Next up, which I'm kind of excited to pull out, was one of those laying mats for your cat, and it's very boho, and I intend on putting it on my sliding glass window, and oh, it's so cute. This is what it hangs off of, and it has these little tassels. I can't do this. Follow me to see how I end up styling this. Okay, that's really nice. I ended up paying, I feel like $15 or $16 for that. It was really fair. Next up, I have a small lipstick case that would match my new Marc Jacobs that I purchased, the tote that I did haul in some of my other videos. There's that for lipstick, which is really cute. Maybe chapstick I should probably put in it. More wind chimes because I bought a few of those. Next up, I bought a bunch of silicone baking material, hoping that they work really well. They were pink, and I couldn't turn them down because they were so inexpensive. Look how nice. They're just silicone baking ware. So that's the first piece I got. The second piece was one of these to bake bread in. I used to bake banana bread and stuff like that all the time, and I haven't because I've gotten rid of all of those when I moved. So this is all brand new. These I love. I use them all the time in my new air fryer. I'm sure I did unbox that, I think, or I will. But here are these. I use these as well for liners, and I just think that they're so nice to not get the machine dirty. These are those Stanley ice maker cup things. I don't know if they'll work well, but they're a little bit flimsy, but I bet you it'd be just fine, and I'm really excited about that. This was a miniature buy. I've been super into miniature stuff lately, which is ridiculous, but I can't help it. And this will go inside of my mini fridge, more than likely, with some sort of juice, and maybe sometimes if I need to go somewhere and just throw something small in a purse, that would be perfect for that. So there's that. Next up, I did buy 3 of these for my cats because they match my kitchen and they're elevated, so I thought their necks would not hurt as much. And they're so cute and they're plastic and they were only a few dollars a piece. So I did get 3 of those because I do have 3 cats. I love that. This is a flashlight that I bought because we always need flashlights here, just in case. And this one I thought would be small enough to put into one of my purses if I needed it, or into like a car emergency kit. It's pretty cute. We'll see if it works. It was very inexpensive, just like everything else that I mentioned is inexpensive here. Next up is, okay, I think this is another nail product. This is like a gel. This is a nail gel, so if I ever wanted to do like a builder design on my nail, which I've been seeing or trending, I could try that out. I wanted to definitely play around with that a little. Next up is another one of those hammocks for your cats, like I showed you before, but this is just a plain tan one that I'm going to put in my other room. I should have probably bought gray, but I wasn't thinking. These are some eyelashes, like corner eyelashes I thought were real pretty and I wanted to give them a try. Baking mat. This is much smaller than I thought it was going to be, but you know, not too bad. It's can go on the grill, can go on in your oven. I do like them. I had lost the last one I had. I have no idea what I did with it. This is supposed to be able to scour your dishes, like specifically the bottom of pots and pans. We'll see if that works. It is pretty nice, like scouring wise. It feels pretty tough, but hopefully it doesn't wreck the actual pan. Next up are keychains that I bought. And this one was just a fuzzy, weird looking creature, and I don't know why I bought it, but I thought it would look cute on one of my purses. So there's that. I still am into creepy things. Next up, I did buy some nail gels. I don't like these ones as much, but there was another set in here that I purchased that were absolutely gorgeous. These are pretty, but wait until I find the other ones. Oh, here they are. These ones are amazing. Look how pretty they are. Oh, I'll be using those next probably. And then here's some more nail decals. These are flowers. Hopefully they focus and they're like 3D. Excited about trying those as well. And then these are just gold accents for your nails. Really looking forward to all of those because they are gorgeous. Next up is for your nails. So I can personally paint them myself. Like a 10-piece to be able to put the false nail on, and I can hand paint it myself, cure it, and then put it on my nail, as opposed to having to paint it on my nail. I ended up buying a roll of microfiber towels, which I do tend to use around the house, and I wanted to get a new roll because these were at a really good price. I did get another box of nails. I did purchase a nail kit, and I'm going to do a review on that because it is awesome. But I needed shorter nails, so I got those, and they do look pretty good. I don't know if they're that much shorter than what I already have, but it'll do. Next up are just those shoes that you can mop in. I had a pair before, but somehow one got lost, or it didn't come with the other, so I ordered another pair. These are cuticle oil. I wanted to really get into making sure all of my nails look decent, especially if I'm going to be doing unboxings and stuff like that. So I wanted to make sure my toes and my nails are always well hydrated, and I figured let me have a cuticle oil pen wherever I go, and I'll slip one of these into whichever type of bag I'm using. 50 attempts. It did come through, and the brush is stiff, but that's okay. It works well. This works well. There's that. You can see that. I needed to replace these, but that's nice. Are more nail decals, 3D butterflies, more nail tips. These are shorter. I got square, I suppose. I didn't even realize that I did that. Like round, short. Here is a pumice stick, which I already have one, but I needed a holder, so I ordered a second one, so now I have this adorable little holder for it. And this helps you like scrub stains out of the toilet, etc. These are a little cut set. So like if you wanted to do cute little cheeses or fruits, you can cut them into like a heart or just whatever design they have here. I bought 5 of those just to be able to do cute things in the future. More nail decals that I did not realize I put in my cart. Sheesh. And more nail decals. I can't believe how many nail decals I bought, but those are adorable as well. I think this is more carving gel, but it actually comes in a squeegee bottle, which I think I thought was extremely interesting, so we'll see how that works. Ordered Sol de Janeiro with knockoffs. Sol de Janeiro knockoffs. I like the way that smells. Actually, no, it's pretty. I like it. I like it. And it was about $4. That's $68. I have no idea what the real ones smell like. Generally, I haven't really liked them when I smelled them in the stores. Here's another wind chime. Some of them are strong. That actually does smell a little strong and manly. I'm not sure if I don't know. We'll have to see about that. That's another strap that I can use for my key. I think I want to take my old keychain off and use that. This is more tools to be able to use for my nails. Again, I bought so many nail things this trip, and then I was obsessed with this huge, beautiful seashell that I'm going to be upgrading my other keychain with. I have a smaller version of this, but it's getting kind of cruddy, so I found a larger with a bell. That's adorable. Next up, I did end up buying little display cases for my jewelry, so I can put them over here and just display them so I know which jewelry I like to go for on a daily basis and just put them in there. I did pick up one of these small purses to be able to put maybe like chargers into and travel with. More nail items. Jeez, I guess I just went nuts. I bought an overabundance of nail things and more nail things. I really don't remember putting these in my cart, truly. I must have been like a blackout shopping experience. This I thought was beautiful again and can go inside my tote, the new tote that I got. It is a small little makeup case. It says all the little things are happening in an orderly way. I don't know what that means, but I like it. Next up, I did get some tongs, but I thought that these were gold. They're silver tongs to be able to grab things. I don't remember purchasing that color, but okay. Next up, I did get suckered into buying this hamster thing, and I don't know why. I have an obsession with small kawaii things. I have other, it's like a strange addiction, and I have other things that maybe I'll unbox at some point in my channel. This was a, what is this? Oh, this is I bought this color. I thought I bought gray. Okay, so this is a cat tent. But maybe I didn't. Maybe I bought this color. I swear I purchased gray. Anyway, this is a cat tent, and it has really adorable little bowls. I'm going to set it up to see if my cats sit in it. I'll probably post that on their channel, so we'll see if that works. That's kind of comical. Next up, I did purchase I don't know what this is. I bought something else that I don't remember buying. Bought some sort of hanger. What did I buy this for? I think I bought this for my kitchen. I'm not sure. I don't even remember purchasing it. That's kind of crazy. But I think I bought it to hang fruit in my kitchen. I thought it would be very boho. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. I was so confused for a moment. Next up is this snake oil moisturizing cream. I bought it because it was such a mini size, and I figured I could pack it when I go on vacation for certain things. Here it is. This is what it looks like, and I thought it would be like an easy balm to be able to moisturize with, so I bought it for travel. Ooh, I don't know what just happened. I just like took half of it off. It feels really nice. I'm going to have to play with that later because it's kind of messy, so it feels nice. It does feel very nice. It feels like something you could put on like cracked heels. And it doesn't smell bad either. It smells kind of nice. Oh, you can't probably see the thing. Next up was this toilet bowl thing that I've seen around on the internet. I have no idea if it's going to work. We'll try it. We'll see if it refreshes my toilet bowl. Kind of doubt it, but wanted to try it just for fun. To buy another nail item so I could paint French tips with some gel white nail. So that's with some gel white nail polish. So love that so much. I don't currently have one of those. Did buy one of these things to be able to pluck strawberries with easily because I currently just cut the tops off, but I think this might be a better way to get more of the strawberry meat, if you will. Okay, that just broke. If you will. Okay, that just broke. Yeah, so you stab the strawberry and that will take the stem out and then you have a clean strawberry. Next up, this is a necklace that I thought was so beautiful. It looks like the one that I have on now, except it's like a larger version. I don't even think I purchased any clothes in this haul. This is just gorgeous. Look how big it is. Gel necklaces I've seen and it's so beautiful. Put that on. It's like, reminds me of the Little Mermaid or something. Gorgeous. This might be the absolutely last thing in this haul. I don't even know what it is. Okay. Oh, it's very cute. It's like another small little bag to be able to put a little bag I bought. It says he chooses. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but again, for little things like this, when you travel and be able to put in there and then you can see the contents of the bag. So that is it for my entire Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a whole bunch of different pieces. I probably will do another order soon, except in the future, the next one will probably have more clothes. We'll see. Next time, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Love you so much. Bye, guys.